In the morning, you will remove the mask and any treatment product from your face. Prepare the cleansing pad the same way you did in the evening by folding an 8 to 12-inch piece of cotton into thirds in order to create a pad with 8 cleansing surfaces. Shake the Manuka cleanser onto the cotton pad so that the liquid soaks through to the bottom piece until the front of the pad is covered in cleanser. After preparing your cotton pad, you will spray your face and neck with the ionic spritzer until your face is wet. Cleanse your face using firm circular motions with all 8 sides of your cleansing pad or until your face is clean. If you shower in the morning, shower after this step. After you cleanse, you take a small piece of cotton about 3 inches long and apply the Silver Cure toner to the cotton and then wipe your face and neck. If you have any active breakouts, you can use the Zido Day Lotion to spot treat these areas after you tone your skin. Make sure to shake the Zido well before application. Finally, you will take a small amount of your Light & Velvet Day Cream, about 1/4 of a spatula, and warm it between your fingers and then dab on your face and neck. You will then begin to massage the cream into your face. Our creams are very well concentrated and do not contain water. It is necessary for you to emulsify the creams into your face yourself, so after applying your day cream and massaging it into your skin, spray your face 8 to 10 times with your ionic spritzer and continue to massage your face until your day treatment is fully absorbed in the skin. The Light & Velvet has an SPF of 23. If you wear makeup, you can apply it after this step over your day cream.